In this video, you'll learn how to log out from all devices on Udemy. This process ensures that your account security is maintained by terminating any active sessions that may be running on other devices. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Udemy website. Once the page loads, locate the login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, enter your registered email address and password in the designated fields. After you have filled in your credentials, click the login button to access your Udemy account. Wait a moment for the system to authenticate your login information. Once logged in, look for your profile icon, usually positioned in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Account Settings or Settings, which will direct you to a new page with various account management options. On the Account Settings page, locate the section titled Security or Account Security. This area contains settings related to your login sessions. Here, you will find the option to manage your active sessions. Click on this option to view all devices currently logged into your account. After you access the active sessions, choose the option that states Log Out from all devices or End all sessions. This action will initiate the process of signing you out from every device that is currently using your Udemy account. Wait for a confirmation message to appear, indicating that the logout process has been successfully completed. You should now be logged out from all devices accessing your Udemy account. It is advisable to check your email for any notifications regarding this action, ensuring that your account remains secure. If you notice any unauthorized activity, consider changing your password immediately.